everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as y'all can see, today's video is definitely a wig review, but it is not my ordinary wig reviews. Now, a company by the name of YGwigs reached out to me and asked me to review one of their wigs. I forgot the name of the collection, but I will get into it later, of course. So as y'all can see, this is a gray wig, okay? This is a gray wig. I did brush it out, but I did show you guys how it looked before I brushed it out. But I really just like how it looks brushed out more. But yeah, the company reached out to me, asked me to review one of their wigs in this particular collection. So this is the one that I chose. I chose this one because it didn't look as wiggy as the other one. So yeah, very interesting. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. As you guys saw from the previous clip, I showed you the construction of this wig. Now, this wig has two combs and it has an adjustable strap. It has a comb in the front and it has a comb in the back. Now, as y'all guys saw as well, this wig came curly, okay? It came curly, but like I stated in the intro, I brushed it out a little bit. So it's like a curly fro going on. I just like the way that it looks better, you know, just brushed out. I like the way it looks better brushed out. But let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So according to YGwigs, this is in their older women collection. So that's what I was referring to earlier when I said that this was in a particular collection that they have going on. This is like their mom and grandma series that they have going on. So the wig that I believe I have is the short silver gray curly wig. Right now, it says it retails for $69 even, okay? They said the texture is a kinky, curly, but I think it's just more of a curly. Of course, I brushed it out, but y'all saw beforehand how it looked. The density is 150%, hair material 100% virgin hair, color salt and pepper. They said it can be dyed. So that's pretty much it, just based off the website. So make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig if you are interested. Now, my audience is more so in the late 20s, early mid 30s. But like I said, this company reached out to me and asked me to review one of these wigs, which I have no problem doing. It's definitely something different for me because I personally would not wear this wig, of course, but it is something different on my channel as far as wig reviews. And of course, you know, if you put it in the search bar and you come up to my video and you see this wig and you like it, then okay, that's fine. I'm always up for trying something new and all of that good stuff. But as far as everything else besides the color, the hair texture was nice. Like I said, it's curly, but I did brush it out just to give it more of this type of, you know, look going on, because I just think it looks better like this. But the texture is nice. The length is nice as well. It's short, so now it's, like I said earlier, now it's like a short curly afro. It was easy to put on, of course, you know, on and off. So definitely for older women, much more easier compared to these other wigs that younger women are wearing. You know, no lace, none of that. On the go, 2 combs, an adjustable strap. That's it. So pretty easy to put on, pretty easy to adjust. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I don't really have a huge opinion on this wig because this is not a wig that I personally would be wearing on a daily basis anyways. But I do appreciate YGwigs for reaching out to me and asking me to review this particular wig. I do hope to work with them again in the future with some other wigs and all that stuff. So you guys let me know down below. This should be very interesting. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the length and all of that stuff. Let me know if you know, do you think it was a good idea for me to brush it out a little bit? I think it was. It looks better. It looks better that I brushed it out, in my opinion. You know? That's just my opinion, okay? But I mean, it's cute. It's different, it's cute, but it's not something that I would be wearing, of course. But of course, for the older women, if you come across this video and have any questions concerning this wig, feel free to ask me down below in the comments and I will try my best to answer them for you. If not, please check the description box below for any information about this wig. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. That is it. I will see you guys in my next video.